Oh, I'm sorry, everybody. They're cutting down the willow tree. We got to. I'm sorry. No, Brooke, no. Don't tell him. Don't, no. Don't tell him, Brooke. No. No. Stop cutting down the willow tree! Okay, now. Stop. They're like so bad.
You know what the doctor's wrong with?
What?
We fucking hate trees. Get out of here.
What'd they say?
We fucking hate trees. Get out of here.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
They did?
I said, you idiot, it's the only thing keeping us alive.
You fucking assholes! You fucking prick! I hope that tree kills you, you fuck!